Okay guys, in this very important lesson, we're going to be looking at, again, like the series that you just saw. We talk about the pros and cons of ground. We talk about if the attacker is taking me down and I'm about to fall, I hit the ground. Worst case scenario, he's standing, I'm on the ground. What position do I want to adopt, okay? So when we look at UFC, they do this, right? They're in this position. They do this and they kick here. And that's fine if you want to be in that position. The problem with this is it's not very optimal for you to get up as quickly as possible because you're here, right? You're doing this and you're striking. Now, the difference of what I'm going to teach you is this right over here. So let me break it down. So arm is here, foot is tucked in, one foot is here, hand is here, okay? So this is in nice and tight. I'm like a small package. My arm is here where I can face my attacker. I could move, right? If the person were to turn really fast here, I do this right over here. My hand is here. So from here to here, okay? Now the objective of this is very simple. So we're gonna use Costa. I'm gonna have you come right back in here. So this is the idea, right? My hand is here, this foot is here. The objective is for me to kick here, here, low line kicks. I don't want to kick it high because he could easily grab my foot and start dragging. If he does, then I have to let go and start striking with this leg as quickly as possible. But the idea is that he doesn't grab it. I'm using the heel to kick, move back, I'm using here to kick inside the knee, inside the thigh, up high. Now I can always kick the groin too. If he comes close, I can kick the groin. My hand is here to be able to protect any punch that might come in if I need to block and still kick. However, and this is probably the most common mistake I've seen over the years people do, is that when they're on the ground, they let the attacker get close. You gotta use your legs. So if I'm here and he's here, I've already fucked up because my range is here. So I should start kicking, move back a little bit, Costa. So I should start kicking around here, that if he was to move in, I'm doing this, boom, boom, and I'm kicking low, high, inside the thigh, kicking up, kicking to the groin, and making sure I protect my hand over here. Now if he moves here, boom, I move here. I switch, right? And I'm kicking, boom, boom, and I'm kicking nice and low. You're kicking around kick to the groin, around kick inside. You're using your heel to kick here, here to the knee, into the groin. You could also use this one here and just, like if he's here and he's doing this, boom, boom, bam, straight to the groin, right? If the person comes in close and he grabs you, so let's say he grabs your head and he's here, what I want to do is find a way to grab the pants, hook the legs, because what I want to do, start moving back, Costa, I want to make sure that I'm not giving him any leverage, which means if I was to do this, he can easily just kick me, right? So once I'm here, I'm going to grab the leg, grab the G, grab whatever I can to eliminate his legs at the same time. Now I'm going to strike here, I'm going to strike the groin, I might be able to pop here, pop there, kick inside, but the objective is of that, do not give him the distance and the range he needs to come in and strike. I got to use those low line kicks to keep him back and get up as quickly as possible. Now, getting up is another part of this very important exercise, right? So, thank you, Costa. So, when you're getting up, what you need to do is this foot comes down, I'm here, arm here, one shot, up. You gotta do this, guys, in super fast speed. The other big mistake you gotta know that I've seen happen when I've done this in full-out scenarios, that if you get up and he's really close and I do this, boom, he's gonna strike me. I gotta make sure I have enough distance between me and my attacker before I get up. So if I'm here and I push back and I say boom, I'm up, bam, right away to my strikes. You gotta train this super fast to go from here to here, to here, to here, to here, to here, over and over again. So it becomes a really quick response that you're not taking time. So again, make sure to have enough distance between you and your attacker. I'm gonna actually use Costa one more time because I think this is really important that you guys get it. That if I'm here, move back a little bit, Costa, and I do this, and he comes and he charges, boom, I'm right there. The fight is back on. So I've got to make sure that if I'm here, I'm pushing back, he starts moving even here. He's too close, I wouldn't risk getting up. Because I know if he charges me, I'm gonna go down. He would have to be at a distance, move back a little bit, maybe about here, where I have a few seconds, thank you Costa, where I have a few seconds to get up as quickly as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You gotta train this, guys. You gotta train it, get a partner, have him move around, throw those low line kicks, tell him, try to grab my foot, and train after that to get up as quickly as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time.